Hi guys, welcome again to Gary Tech Designers. Today again here with you, we come again to bring you back to the project that you have just begun recently. Now we are doing foundation so far, and this is we did trenching, we did blinding as it casted to you, and now therefore we are in foundation. Now we are doing foundation, and we are done with foundation walling. And you can see that we used these foundation bush stones. You can see this is a natural stone, it's not a machine cut. You can see this stone. This is the stone that we used for our foundation walling, which means this house will withstand a lot of compressional pressure in terms of carrying loads. So far this is how we are in our 3-bedroom house. You can see now, you can see on the through the layout that this is how far it is. A 250 square meters area. It covers 250 square meters area, and this beginning now. So good. So far now we are in this house, and this is the entrance. But we are in foundation. This is the entrance, and this will make this one to be our balcony. From this area to all of this area. So this will be our balcony, a balcony area. Until here, this is where we are going to locate our door. This is where we are going to locate our door. But all of this area, we are going to make it the veranda. So it will be the front porch. This is our front porch as we are entering into the building. Now, as we enter here, we have two elements. Here we have a very big room. You can yeah, we have a very big room. So this is our sitting room. Right away from the entrance, we'll have an arch here. So this is where we are going to locate our arch that will provide an entrance into our main sitting room. So this is our sitting room, which is 6 by 6 square meters. It's a bit spacious, and it can accommodate the requirements that are required during maybe the furnituring. Now, opposite to the sitting room, alongside the corridor, we have the dining. So here, this is our dining, where we are going to have dishes. So this is dining, as it's brought from the layout. So this is our dining, as you can see. So as we proceed now, we have the kitchen here. So this is our kitchen. And therefore you can see that the kitchen, it has got a rear veranda, it has a rear porch. So you have got a rear porch there for the kitchen. So when you enter it, there is we're going to put an exit door around there. We're going to put an exit door there for the rear porch for the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, this is the dining room, and alongside the corridor now, we want to bring you now into the bedrooms. So here we have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is very big and spacious, as per the cultural requirements of our client, which means they need to have a very big master room, because of there are some cultural behaviors of which we cannot indulge inside. So in this master bedroom, we have the porch. It has also got a rear porch there. So maybe in case of rest and whatever, our client will be resting from the other side. So that is the rear porch for the master room. So we have a door behind the master room, so that when someone wants to get outside, now the person using the master bedroom will be using the other rear porch, as been shown to you in the video. Now, as you're going here with us, we have bedroom 1. So this is bedroom 1. You can see it's also a bit spacious. So this is where we are going to have the guests, so we call it guest room or bedroom 1. So this is bedroom 1, and this is where we are going to build our bedroom 1, and you can see from the layout. So this is a foundation. As we are moving on, here we are still along the corridor. We are having now a bedroom 2, maybe the children's kids bedroom. This is where the kids will be. So this is bedroom 2. This marks our building to become a 3-bedroom bungalow. So here we are going to put our common toilet here. The common toilet, we are going to put it here. I think when we'll put some blocks around here for the door, but above the slab, because we are going to there is no heavy weight that is going to be carried out by this by the block work that's going to be doing here. That's why we prefer that we are not going to make a trench. We are going to put it in the or above the slab. Now we have here from the bedroom. We'll be having this is the closet. We'll be having a closet here. So this is the access from the bedroom, not from the master bedroom. So the master bedroom will be using this. Person using this master bedroom only specifically will be using the walk-in closet, and also we'll be using, we have got a toilet here. It has got a toilet and a bathroom. So the master bedroom is ensuite. Our master bedroom for this bungalow is ensuite. It's only one room that is ensuite, but it has got a dining, it has got a kitchen, it has got 3 bedrooms and a sitting, and three porches, the front porch and 2 rear porch. So you can see that so far this is where we have come, and you can see the type of foundation we have built. We have built a 4 courses 9 by 9 thickness block work, and this is a bush stone, the natural stone we are using to raise this foundation. Following this process, in the next level we will come and show you. Now we are going to put the columns. So tomorrow we are going to put the foundation columns, because for the foundation walling, we have located, you can realize along our walls, you can realize that there are openings. I've left some voids, you can see. So these voids, we left these voids to make sure that we are putting our columns here. So we are going to have reinforcement all across the house, all along the house, because we need stability, we need strength and durability in this construction work. So therefore, our next level, we are going to put, we are going to install the foundation columns to make sure that the strength of our wallings can withstand any forces, any kind of forces. And therefore tomorrow and then in the following day we are bringing you the columns. Therefore after that we are having another level which can be backfilling and also the hardcore arrangement. We are going to bring you all the videos for this. So for today, this is what little we would just like to tell you, and also would like to tell our viewers that please don't forget to follow our channel. We are always tuned in. Whatever you need, the questions, any question that you have, if you have any question, you have anything to inquire, and also if you have something to tell us, if you have your clue, you have a comment, something that can help us in construction, we are ready for you, our guys. So now I would just like to tell you that don't forget, so don't forget to share and comment and also like on our videos. I would like to tell you that so far approximately 300,000 shillings has been costed here for buying the materials, setting the building, and so far at this level of foundation. So maybe our clients might inquire maybe what can be a lump sum, a ballpen figure for for the level you have reached. I can approximately say that we have just used 300,000 shillings for the foundation, and I would like to tell you that foundation is a bit expensive in construction works. Foundation is a bit expensive, and we advise that the house should have a nice, a good foundation to prevent the house from differential supplementation. So for your house to avoid to be prevented from differential supplementation, it's good to raise a very nice foundation. So our clients, our viewers, our fans, we love you so much. And for more details, if you want to get us, now you'll get the details from the producer. The producer will tell you whatever is going, where you can reach us, when and how you can reach us. But we are available across the country, we are available across the world. Any part of this world in the solar system, we do construction work in whichever way you want. This is a group of civil engineers, a group of mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and also architectural and structural engineers. So for designs, for everything, interior designs, structural designs, architectural designs, electrical design, mechanical designs, you can reach us through Garytech designers. Thank you. Let's meet next time.